Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is going to be garlic butter chicken wings in barbecue sauce. So without wasting time, let's get started. Here I have my chicken wings that I've already cleaned. I have barbecue sauce, chicken spice, chicken seasoning, mixed herbs. I have here salt, parsley, onion, just a little bit of onion, a bit of green pepper, garlic, and I have also my butter. So first I'm going to be grinding the garlic separately, and then I will set that aside, and after that I will be grinding the green pepper, the parsley, and the ginger to make green sauce. So that is done, and I'm just going to transfer my wings into my pan, and then I'll season it with salt, just a bit salt, and the chicken seasoning, and then I'll add some of the green sauce. So I wouldn't be adding any water. I will just going to steam this about 10 minutes. So mix all together and make sure all the wings are well seasoned. And I'll be steaming it for 10 minutes. And then after that, I'm going to transfer it to my bowl and bake it for additional 15 minutes. So here we are. I'm just going to bake it for 15 minutes, and that's it. It is done. And now I'm going to be adding the butter to my pan, and I'll let it melt. And after that, I'll just add in my garlic, and then I'll add also the green seasoning, and I'll fry it just for 1 minute. And I'm going to add my chicken wings. So just stir all together and make sure all is well seasoning. So I just fry this for 5 minutes. And then after that, I'm just going to go ahead and add the rest of the spices. So I have here my chicken spice. I have mixed herbs. And I have black pepper. Then this one is aroma mixed spice. So just stir all together very well and make sure the wings are well seasoned. Just keep on frying them. And at this point, I'm just going to add in my barbecue sauce. But if you don't have barbecue sauce, you can also make do with ketchup. And I'll make sure I'll mix all together. Look at this, guys. This is so wonderful, so nice, so delicious, and very simple. You can make this for your family at home, and you can have it as snacks or anything you want to eat with is also good. So just keep on stirring till all is well mixed, and then at the end I will be adding in a bit of, or just a half of lemon juice, which I forgot to show you from the beginning. So just adding a half of lemon juice to give it that nice taste, and it give it a good texture also to the chicken. And that is done. So at this point I'm just going to garnish it with my chopped parsley, or you can garnish with any herbs of your choice, and that will be done. So all is done, and I'm just going to serve it. As you can see, this is so quick to make and is also very delicious. So here is the end result. I hope you guys like this video. Please do not forget to subscribe, share, comment, and give it a try, and let me know how it tastes like. To all my subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you, and to all my old subscribers, thank you all for subscribing. Stay blessed and stay safe. I'll see you all.